Hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day, and today's video is going to be about subscription boxes that I wish existed. Okay, so this was an idea from one of you guys that asked on my Instagram stories if what kind of videos you wanted to see, and Kayla gave me this suggestion, so thank you so much, Kayla. That's a really good idea. So today we're making it into a video. I love asking you guys what you want to see because some of you are really creative and there's always a bunch of comments that are just like, hi. I can't reply to that. But anyways, thank you so much, Kayla, for the suggestion. And I freaking love subscription boxes, you guys. I love subscription boxes. I do tons of subscription box unboxings on my channel, which a lot of you already know. But if you don't, they're fun. And a lot of people are like, you do too many on your channel. Some people don't like them. And they don't always get the most views. But I personally do not care. I think it's fun. I love filming them. I like the mystery aspect of what you're getting. And then a lot of times it's like $25 box for like 100 and something worth of value, so I feel like I'm getting discounted products and I get to try things I wouldn't normally try. So yeah, I like it. I've discovered some really good stuff through subscription boxes. So today I'm going to talk about some brands that I want to have subscription boxes, and also some products I think they could have in there. So let's go ahead and get started. I always zoom the camera out really far and then it always looks so close up to me. Oh no, you can see my fake wall. Okay, that's better. Alright, so first up is TwoFace. Now I chose TwoFace because they have a crap ton of products. And they're always getting discounted and going to TJ Maxx, so I feel like this would be a good way for them to get rid of a lot of products. Have some new stuff in there, give me some new releases. But every once in a while you can throw in a product you're discontinuing anyway. It'd be normally priced $21. You can save some money rather than selling a TJ Maxx for $1. Throw in a subscription box. I'd still like to try a lot of these products. So I would like new releases too, not just stuff you're going to throw in TJ Maxx, of course. But every once in a while, if you want to save a product or two and throw them in there, that's a good way to build a subscription box, TwoFace. Think about it. But for a TwoFace subscription box, I wouldn't want to pay more than $30 a month. Of course you want less, you want it to be cheaper, but I'm trying to give a general price that I think a lot of people would pay for specifically TwoFace products a month. So I think $30 or less would be a great price for a subscription box from TwoFace. Things I would like to see in there is their lip products. They have a lot of fun lip products in there. I'm personally not a gloss person, but I know a lot of people would probably really enjoy their sparkly glosses they have. I'd also really like to see a lot of their melted matte liquid lipsticks in there as well. They also come out with a bunch of highlighters and stuff, and a lot of TwoFace products are limited edition, so if the season's ending and it looks like things aren't going to sell, they can always throw in a subscription box. So TwoFace, you hear me? You could make a box. Next up is Urban Decay, and I chose Urban Decay because I was thinking of things that I think you would see in subscription boxes, but I never see Urban Decay in subscription boxes. And things specifically I was like, oh, this seems like something they would throw in there, would be their little single shadows Midnight Cowboy and stuff like that, things that are really popular and classic staple single shadows and stuff. Also, Urban Decay has a lot of really cool eye pencils I would love to see in a subscription box. Usually when we get an eye pencil, it's the wood kind of pencil. It's not very creamy, and they're basically either black or purple. That's usually the colors I see in eyeliner in subscription boxes, and I've had a lot of subscription boxes. So it's usually the colors I see is black and purple eyeliner. But they have liquids, they have heavy metal glitter squeeze tubes and everything from Urban Decay. It's not just eyeshadow palettes and base face stuff. I think they have a lot of fun things I think would be great in there. Their brow blade, the double-ended brow blade, I'd love to see that in a box. So yeah, I think Urban Decay could have a box, and for the Urban Decay box, I'd probably say 30 and under too. Let's do 30 and under. I think anything over 30 is kind of better be good, you know? Next up is one I think be so fun because there's so many little brands attached to it. It's Makeup Revolution. So there's Makeup Revolution, there's Revolution Plus, there's I Heart Revolution, there's just Revolution Beauty or something like that. So there's a bunch of little off brands. I Heart Revolution is usually the cutesy one. Revolution Pro is the more serious looking eyeshadow palettes. Then Makeup Revolution is generally most of the stuff. But I think because they have so much stuff, they release so much stuff. They're like Colourpop. With how much they release, maybe even, it's probably about the same as Colourpop releases. You just don't hear about it as much because they're sold in so many different countries. Certain places get certain things. Colourpop's you get the same thing everywhere kind of deal. So that's probably when we'll hear about it. But I think Makeup Revolution could have a bomb subscription box. I think because their products are really affordable, you could pay BoxyCharm $25 a month, get 5 to 6 different products, Makeup Revolution. I'd be into it. Honestly. I'd be into it. I think it's a really good idea actually. Makeup Revolution, especially because they have some scented stuff too. I like scented products sometimes, even though some people are sensitive to scents. I think they'd have a good makeup box because they have so many products, so many different divisions of their brand. It could be different every month. I think it'd be awesome. Next up, because we're talking about Makeup Revolution, let's talk about my favorite brand in the whole entire world, and I wish they had a box, and they come out with so much stuff, and it's Colourpop. I love Colourpop, you guys. I have a code with Colourpop. It's 5 Bridget. I don't make any money off it. It's just for you guys, so you can save $5 if you ever need it. Again, I'm not getting paid for it, but you can save $5, save $5. But, oh my god, I love Colourpop so much. I love Colourpop so much. Colourpop is my favorite brand because they're affordable, the quality is good. There's never any products I'm like, these are duds, other than the Honeydew eyeliner. Most products in Colourpop are really consistently good. They're affordable. They ship pretty decently fast too. They always pack things really safely. Other than the eyeliners, never had anything break in transit with Colourpop products. They're really so much. It can be so much fun. So I think a Colourpop subscription box, I would pay $25 for easily. I might even pay a little bit more just because I love Colourpop products. But I think $25, because they're already really affordable, is a great, like, give me like 8 Colourpop products. I would live. I would live. It'd be amazing. You'd hate my channel if you don't already, because I would just talk about Colourpop stuff I got in the mail all day. But you know, it's what it is. I think it'd be a fun box. Next up is Pixie Beauty. Now I chose Pixie Beauty, one, because it's like semi-affordable. It's like expensive for drugstore, but it's not like Sephora price. And they also have a good mix of makeup as well as skincare. Oh, hi to Zatchel. Say hi to the Zatchel. Zatchel, you gotta say hi. You can't just come on like hang out on my legs and not say hi. Hi, yay, Zatchel bye. Zatchel bye. Okay, but yeah, I think Pixie, because they have a good mix of skincare as well as makeup. Like, I would love to see like their small bottles of toner in a subscription box. I would love to see like their liquid lipsticks in a box. They have some like good face palettes and stuff that a lot of people probably don't really buy. I don't hear the greatest reviews of their face palettes. I've had a couple that I like. Their highlighters are really good. Zatchel tail. And I think it'd be a really good mix because you'd get skincare as well as makeup. The other brands I talked about are mostly makeup, other than Colourpop. They have like a, well, Makeup Revolution and Colourpop, but have like a sister line of like skincare products. But I think Pixie would have a really good box, and it'd be super adorable. It'd be super, like, super pastel cuteness. I think it'd be fun. Alright, next up is Glamlite. And I'm saying this because I bought one of their mystery boxes. I did like an unboxing of that. Like their Black Friday VIP box, I bought one of those and unboxed it, and it was so good. The products are so good. So I would love to see them do a subscription box. Their lashes are bomb. I really like their liquid lipstick formulation. Their eyeshadow so far, because I haven't tried all of the big palettes, I just tried the pizza ones. Really good quality. I would love to see like maybe some exclusive little mini palettes, like a mini like churro palette or something. They do food themes, I don't know. I would love to see that kind of palette or like those kind of products in a box, and it's super themed. Like you could have like a pizza month, you could have a taco month, and I used to be like, this is so cheesy, why is everything themed all foodie and stuff? But I'm kind of into it now. You could have a paint month. I think it'd be so much fun. Glamlite has really good products, and I would love to see that from them, having a monthly box, because their like mystery boxes sell out so fast every time. Really good value though, can't beat it. Alright, next up is NYX, and I was like, I think NYX would have a good box because they have so many products. But nothing ever is like amazing quality from NYX nowadays. Nothing I ever try I'm like blown away by. But I do think it's a good mix of like colorful fun stuff as well as neutral. And it's semi-affordable. So if you did like a $15 a month, you get like 4 products from NYX. I think that'd be a pretty good box. I would love to see like some little pot eyeliners from there. They have a decent brow pencil. The micro brow pencil is pretty good. They also have little eyeshadow palettes and stuff. So some NYX stuff is actually pretty decent. Like I do like some NYX stuff. I just haven't been blown away by anything lately that I've tried. But like they have good contours and blushes and stuff. That'd be some really good things to throw in a box. So anyways, let's go over every brand that I talked about today, as well as the #1 product I would love to see in a subscription box if they had one. Alright, so for TwoFace, the #1 product I would love to see in a TwoFace box would be a melted matte liquid lipstick. And I still think $30 and under is a pretty good price if they did a box. Next up is Urban Decay. And again, I would love to see those fun, colorful eyeliner pencils from them in a subscription box. The next one was a Makeup Revolution. And I think Makeup Revolution is really, like, they could do anything in a box. But I think I would love to see their highlighters come in a box. I think that'd be fun because everyone loves getting a highlighter in a box. And they're more universal than, say, like a nude lipstick, you know? Also, Colourpop. The #1 thing I'd like to see in Colourpop is anything, but especially like their little $12 palettes. I think this would be super fun. I think that it's like a really great thing. You can pack really easily, and they're adorable. Next up, Pixie Beauty. I would love to see many other like milky tonics or their cleansers, little skincare bottles. They come like this size. They come in giant size too, but like this size is good for like a subscription box size. I would love to see those like skincare products from Pixie. Glamlite. I would love to see their lashes. Their lashes are so good. I love their lashes. and then NYX. And I would love to see like potted gel liners from NYX, I think, because they have some fun colors in there. Anyways, you guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. This was a really fun thing to think about. Of course, I could have named a lot more prestige brands that I love, like First Aid Beauty and stuff, but I feel like that would really hike up the price of a subscription box, and I want like tons of things in my box. I don't want to open a subscription box and it's 2 items, you know? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out, and subscribe if you are not already, because we could be friends and it's free and stuff. And I will see you in my next video, which could be an unboxing. Who knows? I love doing unboxing videos.